Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Okay, hi guys, welcome to, I've not done like a nail look, not necessarily a look, like a nail thing ever on my channel. So today I thought, yeah, so basically I have to attend like these two weddings. What really happened was, I am one of those people who love to have like long nails, since when I was growing up as a teenager, right? I always loved long nails, and I love to have these like these very bright nail paints. So for me, if I'm getting ready, my look is not complete if my nails are not on point. And that's why I think, you have seen my really colorful nail paint pictures, right? So yeah, so what really happened was, my nails broke. It was like 4 out of the 10 nails actually broke, and they were like this length. Yeah, I know it's really bad, because obviously I have to wipe these off and put these ones, any of these, I don't know which one really, but yeah, I have to put these are the 5 nail sets that I got. And most of these are like 24 kind of set. These are like 24 nails, so each of these set actually has like 24 nails. So these are the 5 sets. Some of them are like these really bright colors. 2 of them has some bright colors, you can see, right? One of them has this sort of like a pattern, the plaid and the plain ones. Then the other one is this that has this French tip manicure kind of thing. And the final nude nails, just in case you don't understand what to really go for. This is more like on the squash side of the nail. This is like that coffin shaped nail. And yeah, these are 2 coffin shaped again. Back in the days when these nails actually came into existence, we used to have those glues, to paste them. Things have changed now. The world has really evolved. I'll show you how it really works. So basically, these are the nails. I'm showing you the insides. Right, these are the tapes you are going to use to put the nails. These are like 20 tapes. Yeah, so it's like twice use, which is really nice and mess free thing. And you will also actually see me doing this, because listen, I'm also new to it. I don't know what to really do. Actually, this is the nail, and this is how I am going to put it. Right, it looks good. I'll show you the long ones too, right? One of these, so that you know how the coffin one looks. Let's try with this one. So these are matte, right? And this is how it will come here. So this is how it will look. Yeah, that is nice. I love it. And the last one is the square one, because we just have like 3 types of it. So I'll take you through the French manicure type. And we are going to take this one, and let's try and put it again. Yeah. So this is how it will look. Again, very pretty. Now let me quickly show you how to put these, right? Let's just go on quickly. This is both of my hands finished. Now this is how it looks. Definitely I would say the glue is quite nice. The tape actually is quite nice, because the nails don't really come off that easily. The adhesive to that tape is very strong. So this is how the nails look, and I think I like them. I mean, just for like one wedding, just one day, a few hours, I think this is the best you can really get. And they were really cheap, like only 200 rupees. So I kind of like them. I mean, you don't even have to apply nail paint or any nail art. You already have the whole nail art with you. So yeah, I like it. The only bad thing is that these are fake nails. It's really difficult to match the size. Everybody has like different nail type, nail shape and everything, different fingers. So for that you really have to be very on the go कि कौन सा कहाँ पे आएगा, किसके साथ आएगा. Also, I had another issue that once you have done like one hand, how are you actually going to peel off the tape of the other one? The nail will come out. So yeah, that also happened. Other than that, I absolutely love these nails and I think they are really nice. I mean, if I'm going to go like this, my hands will look really pretty. Actually, they are looking really nice. So I would highly recommend these to you. And yeah, definitely I think you guys can really give it a try if you really feel like. Yep. Bye bye.